Hi Shopify Pros, I'm Ryan and welcome back to the TinyIMG channel. Are broken links affecting your store's SEO and driving your customers away? In this video, I'll cover what broken links are, why they're a silent killer for your rankings, and how to fix them in minutes with TinyIMG. I'll show you how to hunt down those pesky 404 errors, redirect them like a pro, and create new redirects with the TinyIMG app. This keeps your store thriving, saves you time, and boosts user experience, ultimately driving more sales. And if you're loving these tiny tips, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tiny tips and tutorials. Alright, let's find them and fix them. Broken links are hyperlinks on websites that lead to a 404 error page or something similar. They occur when a page has been removed, the URL changed, or a typo in the URL with external issues. 3 reasons why fixing them matters. 1. Broken links frustrate visitors. In fact, if users have to wait more than 3 seconds for a page to load, bounce rates increase by 32%. Imagine how quickly they'll leave if they see a 404 error instead of an actual product page. 2. Search engines like Google view broken links as a sign of poor site maintenance, which can lower your rankings. 3. For Shopify stores, broken links on product pages can lead to lost sales. Pretty obvious, but it is super important to remember. Got broken links? Let's create a redirect with TinyIMG to fix them fast. In the TinyIMG app, scroll to the SEO shortcut on the homepage or click Improve SEO in the left menu. Then select Broken Links. Here, you'll see a report of all 404s. Click Create URL Redirect, enter the broken link and a new page you want it to redirect to. Something like a similar product or the homepage. Hit Save and your redirect is ready. Click Redirect Rules next. Rules are matched in order. Rule 1 takes priority over Rule 2, and so on and so forth. Add your rule, match value, and redirect to, then save. If no redirect rules are matched, broken links will automatically redirect to your homepage or any other page you've set here instead. To automatically redirect all broken links, go to Settings, add your auto redirect link, and save. It's worth mentioning, TinyIMG doesn't search for broken links. When a customer stumbles across one, we register it and redirect it instantly. You can also adjust your reporting settings like so. Tiny tip, finding broken links is a breeze with TinyIMG's free Chrome extension, which works alongside the Shopify app. Visit the TinyIMG website, go to Tools, select Tiny Extension and add it to your browser. Now, open your website, click the TinyIMG extension and go to the Links tab. Hit Scan Status and TinyIMG will highlight any URLs returning error pages under the status section. You could manually check every link, but this extension saves hours. And there you have it. With TinyIMG, fixing broken links is as easy as flipping a switch, keeping your store SEO strong, user-friendly, and ready to rack up those sales. Need expert help trusted by thousands of Shopify merchants? TinyIMG has your back. Just drop us a message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more image and SEO optimization tips and tricks. Until then, keep those clicks coming.